me Sheila, and today we're gonna read Star, Star, Star Story by Bob Warner. And it's all about the planets and solar systems. Now, we're gonna start it at the first pages and then we end up reading this story today. That means tomorrow we read a new book and new stories to read, okay? And now, are you ready to read this one book and a lot of stories to read and a lot of planets to see? Now, here we go. And first, we can read Star, Star, Stars by Bob Warner. Now let's read. Stars, stars, stars. I want to see planets and stars. Bright stars twinkling above big city lights. Distant planets glowing over back country nights. Constellations that take shape when I corner them with lines. Milky Way stars shining 200 billion times. Wow, that shine very, very lots. The sun that burns with golden light, hot planet Mercury turning slowly in the night. Venus, the evening star, first planet to shine in the twilight sky. Blue-green Earth with the dusty moon orbiting by. Stormy Mars glowing red in a vastness of space. Giant planet Jupiter moving with grace. Oh, I think that Jupiter is the biggest planet in our solar system. Saturn circled by rings and Uranus spinning in the side. Windy Neptune and tiny Pluto orbiting wide. Oh, I think Mercury and Venus and Earth and Mars is a little planet and made of rock. But Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto is just a tiny planet. And all of the except Pluto and started at Jupiter and the end at a Neptune. That old planet is a giant planet because it's giant and big. And it's all far away from the sun, so it might be very cold and windy planet too. And a cold planet, giant planet, windy planet, and it's made of gas. So it's all made of gas, and Saturn's rings are made of a dirt and rocks. It's a little rock, but when it's not a rock and not a dirt, I want to go around Saturn's ring. And next, shooting stars, squeaking tails of sparkling night. The Big Dipper holding a scoop of night. Stars, 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 I want to see planets and stars tonight. Meet the planets. The sun is a medium-sized star. All 8 of the planets in our solar system orbit the sun. Oh, the 8 planets, except sun, is orbiting. Some 8 planets are orbiting the sun. It's go round and round and round. And the sun has been burning for about 5 billion years. Wow, that's long. And Mercury, the closest planet to the sun, it's only a little larger than the moon, and its surface is covered with a tall mountain and deep creatures. Venus is a planet, but it is called the evening star because it is usually the first light. We see the shine in evening sky, and Earth is our home. It's the only planet in our solar system that we know supports life. Mars, the red planet, is about a half of the size of Earth, and Mars looks red because it's covered with a rust-colored soil. Oh, I think the soil is colored red. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. It is so big that all the other planets could fit inside it. Oh, I think the Jupiter is very, very big. So, another Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, and Saturn, and Uranus, and Neptune, and their planet Pluto can fit inside the Jupiter. And Saturn is not very disc that would float in water. The rings are made of pieces of dust and ice burning from as small as a pea to as large as the car. And Uranus spins on its side. The narrow ring around Uranus is made of black ice. And Neptune, the blue planet, has winds that blow up at 1,500 miles per hour. Its blue color is caused by methane in its atmosphere. Their planet Pluto, the last planet, it's very far away from the sun, so that means it's very, very cold and windy. And dark planet Pluto used to be considered a planet, but because it meets only 2 of the 3 requirements necessary, it was resuscitated as a dark planet in 2006. Now, meet the universe. The star is a giant full of glowing eyes. Growing gas. Stars twinkle because we can see them through the layers of the moving air and Earth atmosphere. The planet was defined at the International Atmosphere (IAN) in 2006 as an object that orbits around the star, has sufficient mass, so it's nearly spherical in shape, and can clear in the neighborhood around its orbit. And gravity is a force that keeps objects in orbit. Gravity keeps us from floating off the Earth. I know that. A constellation is a group of the stars that people connect with an imaginary lines and from a design. There was 88 constellations in the sky. The sun is any star that is the center of a planetary system. Our sun is a medium-sized star. That means the sun is a star. The moon orbits a planet the way planet orbits the sun. Some planets, such as Saturn, have many moons. An asteroid is a rocky object, much smaller than a planet that orbits the sun. A comet is made of ice and dust that orbits in the sun, and a matter is the space of the rocket crashing in the surface of a planet or moon. A shooting star isn't a star at all. But what is the name of the shooting star? Let's see. It's a matter that burns up when it gets close to sun, Earth. Oh, I think the shooting star is not a star, but the name is just a star, shooting star. A solar system is all of the planets, moons, asteroids, and comets, and another matter that orbits at sun. A galaxy is made of a billion of stars, gas and dust, held together by gravity. And planet Earth is in a Milky Way galaxy. And the universe is all of night, matter than an energy that exceeds time and space. Now, the end of reading this star story. And tomorrow we this book, Stars by Bob Burner, is the end of reading the stories. And that means tomorrow we read a new book and new stories, okay? And now if you like my YouTube, please thumbs up my YouTube every time. And now, bye-bye for now, bye-bye for this book too. And you'll be very excited to read a new book and new stories. Now, bye-bye everyone. Have a nice day. Bye.